Это кинокамера?
Yeah, this is a movie camera.
Да, это кинокамера.
А разве можно?
Me and grandma, we are talking using Google Translator because I don't know Russian and she doesn't know English. So this is like helping us a lot.
Поэтому я и бабушка разговаривают с помощью переводчика Google, потому что я не знаю русского языка. И он не знает английского, так что это очень помогает нам.
Yes. А сколько вам лет?
And how old are you?
I'm 29 years old.
Мне 29 лет.
Ясно.
Hello, second day in Pskov. All day I was kind of lazy, just sleeping and eating. But now it's 5 p.m. so I decided to just get out and see the city. This is a church very close by to my host place. After walking for half an hour or so, I saw this place from the bridge. So maybe this is the Pskov Kremlin. So this is the first time it happened to me. Like we walked into this bar and the people were asking me, "What is pan?" These guys had hookah, which was a pan flavor. So they were asking me what pan is, and it was really difficult to tell them what pan is. I just googled some stuff and showed them the images that this is betel leaves and stuff.
Это мой отец.
This you?
It's his father.
Oh, okay.
Похож, да, на индус?
He looks like Indian.
Но он на самом деле...
Просто типа, когда, допустим, немецкий, он очень твердый из-за того, что у них там все вот это у них.
So today I'm eating some dumplings, vegetables, meat, cheese, and some Russian.
Только один раз в году классическая музыка становится еще и народной. Под балконом театра оперы и балета настоящий аншлаг. 12 тысяч зрителей.
So since morning I was editing my Moscow video. Just finished editing it. We'll be uploading it tomorrow. And it's a small town, so not many places to go to. But I have come to this beautiful park, which is just 2 minutes walk from the house. So I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the nature.
I know that boy's gonna rip me up, 'cause he ain't that nice, he won't do right, he'll leave a nasty cut. Oh, I cry until I just dissolve. Come on, watch my heart.
This place is really beautiful. So many birds and this lake. I wish I had such park close to my house.
Oh no, I have a horrible voice.
Once, please.
Oh. If you close the door, the night will end.
So today I'm leaving for St. Petersburg. I'm taking this bus, and these guys, they provide a free taxi to pick you up from your place and get you at the bus stop. The bus will take almost around 4 hours to reach St. Petersburg. It's about 8 in the morning. It's a bit cold.
Take my love.
I've just got down here, and from here I'll be taking the metro to my host's place.
Стой, 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 стой.